Welcome to Mechanical Tutorials. I'm going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. Hi, today I'm going to explain how to create simple sketch and a 3D CAD model in SolidWorks and a 2D drawing. So I'm going to new file. Select the front plane, go to sketch. See, first I am going to draw this line and this line. Later I am going to create this top features, then I am going to mirror. So this line is 0.75. See, before that I need to set these dimensions in inches. So units in IPS and up to 2 decimals. And here I need to show this. Okay. So this is 0.75. Okay, click this line and select the midpoint, control and select the origin. Okay. So this is not vertical, so select this and make it vertical. So this is fully constrained now. Now I am going to draw other line approximately, and the distance is distance is 0.3. Next I am going to draw these lines so that I can make it symmetry. Okay, so let's take a center line, draw here. Now select all the line entities, click mirror and mirror about this. So approximate shape is defined now. Now let us give the dimensions. So this distance is 0.25. And this is 0.125. Okay. This is 45 degrees. This is 0.5. And distance between these two lines is 0.2. And this distance is 0.125. This angle is 45. And the distance between these two lines is 0.5. See, here we can notice that after mirroring these entities, this is not coincide. So we have to merge this. Okay. Now let us go to horizontal dimensions. So total distance is 1.5. Okay. And distance between these two lines is 1.25. So our sketch is now completely constrained now. So come out of the sketch, save this file. Okay. Now let me extrude this. So I will give it as 0.2 inches. Okay. Now save this file. So it looks like a C letter. Now let's go to the drawing file. Go to view, layout, model view. So double click on the part and place it on the drawing. Okay, I'm going to keep it as front view. So let's start give dimension. So go to annotation, smart dimension. See, my drawing template is in millimeters, so I need to change units. Units IPS up to 2 decimals, and the dimensions we need to show here. So it is 175. So distance between this and this point is 0.25. This is 2. This is 1.25. So angle is 45 degrees. And 5. This is 0.5. .45 degrees. See, we haven't mentioned the symmetry, so we have to give these dimensions even if it is repeated. So this is up to 3 decimals. So total height is 1.25. So distance between these two is 0.3. This angle is 45. This is 1.25. Okay, so all the dimensions are shown here. So if you want to change the font size also we can change, but it is better to maintain template size. Okay, so this is how we have to create sketch, 3D model and drawing. So in model, for better visibility, instead of default color we can change any color. So this looks good. So this is the general procedure for creating sketch, 3D model and 2D drawing. So finally we need to save the file. See, after saving file you can see these two are integrated, part file and drawing file. This is called parametric. So whatever we change in the part, it is going to reflect in the drawing, and whatever we do the changes in the sketch, it is going to reflect in the model. So that's how we need to create the sketch, model and drawing. Thank you very much.